let's dig. So along with that, open COVID tracker website as well.
Yes.
You have the website with you?
Okay, done.
Yeah, India tracker. That's correct. We need to give places.
Right.
Okay. So initially, we will try with the states itself.
Okay.
So can we give state name somewhere? Like it can be a list of items. Like these are the
Yes.
states.
So like we can ask the user enter the state name.
Okay.
So
But
then
how can we describe or how can we define that these are the state names? See, when we have Telangana,
right.
then I think we need to create entities, right?
Yes, we need to create entity. So like we'll create an entity by name state, and
Okay.
like we'll write state names inside that.
Okay, let's go ahead and do it.
Yes.
Okay, let's give it a state name so that it can be more readable.
Yes.
State name. Okay. Let's keep 1 or 2. That's it for now.
And one
Keep
more
Delhi.
I put Delhi.
Keep for Delhi as well.
Yes.
Okay. So what is this fuzzy matching and allow expansion, allow automated expansion?
Allow automated expansion. So like if there is sometimes a spelling mistake, so if you do the user types wrong spelling of Maharashtra or maybe
Okay.
Gujarat or something, so like it automatically matches to that particular word.
Then
So
let's
we'll-
enable it.
Yes, we'll enable it.
What? Okay.
And regular expression is the one which we have in like the UiPath also, the regular expressions.
Okay. Okay. So we have state names and intents. So what are we
Yes.
going to do? So in
So-
the intent, we can ask
So like we'll create one new intent.
give me COVID report for this particular state.
Yes, ask state name.
But how can we say that this is the question for COVID report?
What?
So how can we say that this is the question for COVID report? So you are
Okay.
saying that this is asking a state name.
Okay. So what we can do is, as we see, like always when we type hi in Dialogflow,
Yes.
so we get a response like hi, how are you doing?
Correct.
So that is like the default welcome intent. Like
Okay.
you can see default welcome. So what we can do is like these are already added, like the training phases for our
Okay.
chatbot. So
Correct.
what we can do in this response only, we'll add like I can give you updates on COVID-19 cases. So along with how are you doing, we will add statement if you want.
Excellent. Okay.
Yeah.
So again,
Yeah.
we cannot expect what user is typing.
Okay.
Okay. Let's start with the bot. Like, if the bot asks, "Give me a COVID report."
Okay.
Then
if
it
the
should
user asks.
Yes. If the user asks, "Give me a COVID report," then
Okay.
bot should ask, "Sure, give me a state name."
Okay. So you want to create an intent where a user is asking, give me a COVID report.
Correct. And
Okay.
in that, if the state name is not available, then we should ask that state name. You need to give us a state name as well.
Okay. So what we'll do is like we'll create one more entity with the keywords like COVID-19 or coronavirus or something like that. So it will help us identify.
Definitely. Go ahead.
Yes. So,
COVID entities. Yeah.
question.
Yeah. That's right.
Right here like COVID. So synonyms we can add COVID-19.
Okay.
So we can add coronavirus. Virus update.
Okay.
Other keywords, like if you can suggest some keywords, we can add that also.
For now, let's go ahead. Continue.
Okay. So I will save this. So in intents, let's create an intent. Let's name it user input.
Correct.
So here we can see, we'll add some training phases now. So
Okay.
like give me COVID update. So as here you can see like we have created an entity. So it is like already getting detected over
Okay.
here. Yeah.
Okay.
So other training phases like corona virus
Okay.
cases. So I think it's not getting over here.
So how can we update if the intent is not correctly available? See, we have
We
the
can add like more entities, like more synonyms and more words in like our entities.
okay.
Yeah, so other way put is updates on COVID-19 cases.
Okay.
So I think the coronavirus word is not added properly in the intent.
Okay.
Yeah. So change that. That's it. I think this training phases. Coronavirus
You.
in Delhi.
Okay.
So see here, Delhi is also detected as a state name entity.
Correct.
Yeah. So you want like the state name to always be inputted by the user.
Yes, because we cannot give data for everything
Right, right.
at the initial stage. Maybe in the
Right.
later stage
We
when
can scale it. Yeah.
yes, correct.
Yeah. So here there's an option like we can make a state name required field. Yeah.
Okay.
So here as you see, here's a state name. So I've selected the required checkbox.
Okay.
So if that is not inputted by the user, we
Okay.
can give a prompt,
Asking for please enter the state name.
enter the state name.
Exactly. Okay, fine.
So you can like this. Close. Here is the response which we want to give to the user that we can add over here. So it will be the data script from our like the website.
Correct.
So right now I'm clicking this
Save.
as save. Yeah.
So let's see what do we have. Okay. So I have an intent that is with user input. Okay. So why don't we change this to COVID-19 user input? So when we are
Sure.
mapping with the project, it will be proper naming. COVID-19 user input. Okay,
Perfect.
that's perfect. Excellent. Now, so we need to get two parameters from this. Okay, at
Yeah.
least one, which should be our state name. How can we get it?
State name. So it is stored in this particular parameter. Yeah.
Okay.
The value is stored in this particular parameter, the
Okay.
state name value.
Okay, so with dollar state name will give us the state name. Okay, let's go ahead and check with our bot. Let's ask give me COVID-19 report and let's see if it's asking for state or not.
Yes. COVID-19 report.
So because I think the COVID-19 there is a space between COVID and 19. Okay, it again gave two parameters, state and COVID. Okay, COVID question. It's a COVID question. State name. It's me. So what
Yeah.
is me?
Me, give me like the word which it's taking state name as me.
Correct.
Yeah. Like
So let's do one thing. So we kept state names to automatically update. Is it?
maybe I think so. Like we'll have to check that.
Remove the automated expansion and fuzzy matching as well.
Yes.
And let's try it so that the state names at least match properly.
We'll have to give like more statement as well. Let's check it again. COVID-19 report. Please enter the statement. We
Okay.
have to-
So till now it didn't complete the intent and it's asking for the state name.
Yes.
Okay. Let's go ahead and give a state name. Give Delhi.
Yes. So it is taking state name as Delhi and COVID question as COVID.
Okay. So So we have this one. Let's go. Let me share my screen. You can stop.
Yes.